video of InstaBot. This is once you log in, this is your dashboard. Simply click on account section in the left, add your account, add your Instagram credentials, and it will show up here. Then move to list, click on messages, and you can create your new list here. Simply type the message text you want and list name, and simply click add list. Just like custom messages, you can create custom users list. Click on create new list, list name, username. If you have multiple usernames, then add multiple and simply click on add list. Now the action part, simply click on your account and then followers. You can also send messages to following users list and the contacted list. Here you can send list of messages. You can select your list. Here you can type custom message. Let's say, hi there. Hello. Thank you. Then you can select the speed. Let's say it's instantly and simply send message. You can see the message is sent to all the audience. Now you can see that in the direct messenger section, you can see that all the messages are sent one by one to all those audience. You can refresh from here and you can find all those messages. All right, so that's it for this quick demo video. You can see the messages that are going to send in this queue section. 137 messages on queue, and here when they are sent, you will see these in the sent message box. And let's say if some of them fail, then they will shown here in this failed to send messages section. All right, then that's it for this video. Till then, bye bye.